Derry, hello. It is the middle of September 2023. We are looking at the Apple Watch Ultra 2 unboxing. Now, believe it or not, this box has been lying around for a little while. I've been too busy to unbox it, but today I finally had the time and let's go. So I've already unpacked it from the cardboard shipping container. We've got quite a long rectangular box with these tabs on the underside. I did a bit of that and a bit of that. I know this because I had a previous Ultra watch. It's just exactly the same. And swivel it around. We have got 3 bits and bobs. So a bit of paper, which is going away. The first bit is congratulations on spending so much money with us. These are the straps that you could have had, and you can still buy the extra ones if you want to spend even more money. So to recap, the Ultra 2 is very similar to the Ultra 1, but it's got a brighter display, and for me, with my mediocre eyesight, that's a really big thing. So I've kind of sort of justified it on that basis, really, although it's horrendously expensive. I might have slightly mispriced the sale of the Ultra 1 watch. It actually sold in 30 minutes. The buyer was so keen, he actually drove around close to midnight to pick it up, and I was so happy. I like to give people a good deal. Okay, here's the paper. The first point, which is a paper booklet containing lots of glossy photographs. So then, again, as before, we've got, let's do the strap, shall we? I don't want to mess that up. So there's a pull tab, okay, pull tab, Mr. Pull tab. Okay. Okay, very satisfying. And I did buy an Apple Watch from Amazon once, and it shipped with everything except the watch. It just came with a strap. I was not very happy. Amazon were very good about it and returned it. Right, so that is the kind of sports strap, I would call it. Trail strap. Again, this is exactly the same as last year's model. Very nice. Bit of paper, bit of cardboard. And now the big event, the watch itself. Oh, got 2 pull straps. Whew. It goes without saying that this is a premium product. I chose the Ultra watch over the standard watch, which I did own the standard watch for a while, because of the bigger screen, and for me that's very important. As I've harped on numerous times, the design of the watch with a rectangular screen is superior to any watch that has a round screen, if, as you might agree, you're looking at notifications on this watch a lot. Anyway, let's finish the unboxing and I'll just keep droning on. Inside we have got a lovely charging cable. Now the trick is to try and get this open without breaking it apart, because in the future I'm going to have to put this back again in order to sell it. Yeah, it's identical as far as I'm concerned to the Dernier Generation. Come on, baby, you can do it. That comes out. We're nearly out. Don't blow it now. You see, if Apple would just send me some products free of charge, I could look all professional as I'm unboxing. Oh, there we go. Right, it's out. So it's a lovely sort of woven cable, just like it was last year. Again, no changes there. It's USB-C connector one end, and it's a magnetic connector at this end. And last, the big show, the big boy, it's the Apple Watch Ultra 2. Now again, I need to be Gentle. Gentle. Come out gently. That's not going to come out, is it, without... Oh, here we are. Just send me in the training course we're doing with this, isn't we? Okay, that's coming off there. This is coming off here. Easy, easy. Lovely. Okay. So when this gets sold, whenever I sell it. So, it's the third box. So we've got the Apple Watch, we've got the charging cable, we've got the strap. So I'm just going to do the further amount of droning, which is that this Apple Watch Ultra has a very bright display. That was the key selling point for me. I know it's a ludicrously expensive watch. You've seen my goodbye Apple Watch Ultra video, I'm sure. And as I've said, it's a superior product to any Android round watch, of which there are many, because the simple reason is that this is a larger screen, and as it scrolls, the messages just scroll and don't need to be reformatted. With this, any watch with a round face, as it scrolls, it can reformat the text a little, which is just mind-blowingly annoying. So you win on that Apple, and you also win on the fact that this watch, unlike the non-Ultra version, has got a lip here. So in a few minutes, I should be applying a screen protector to this watch. So that's it. That's the unboxing of the Ultra 2 Apple Watch. Suitable for people who have a need for a brighter watch. Otherwise, I would still say go for the bargain Ultra 1 watch, because the differences, the so-called faster processor, are minute. It could be that Apple are stopping you having this access. So Apple have had this accessibility feature for a long while on their watches, where you do this pinching to acknowledge something, and that's in accessibility. And they've had it for years, but at the presentation they had made a big thing about this new feature that they were announcing, where you're allowed to use a tap. Now at the moment you can use a tap and a clench. In the presentation they only mentioned about a tap, so it's almost like taking something away. I think that the way that you interact with the tap, the finger tap, is going to be improved. But my whole point is, if it's true that only the latest generation, the Series 9 and the Ultra 2, support this clickety tapping feature, then maybe all the older watches would support the existing accessibility feature. I can't see them taking it away. So you'll still get, I would say, the accessibility feature, but just not quite as good as with the latest watch, Series 9 or Ultra 2, and that is so Apple, as we might call it. That's my first thoughts about the product, and there will be a fuller review to follow. Thanks for watching. Bye.